Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a Trading 212 card, whether you want a virtual card, a physical card, or even a single-use card. If this helps you, hit like so more traders can find it. First, open your Trading 212 app and tap on the card icon or go to the card tab. From here, you can choose the type of card you want. To get a virtual card, select Virtual, pick a color you like, and then press Continue. Your virtual card will be ready instantly and you can use it online or in apps right away. If you want a physical card, select Physical, choose your delivery address, and confirm. The card will be sent to your address so you can use it in stores or anywhere cards are accepted. For a single-use card, go to the Card tab again and select Single-Use Card. This is perfect for one-time online purchases, giving you an extra layer of security. And that's it. Now you know how to get a Trading 212 card in all its forms. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you want more Trading 212 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.